Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Silver and Gold. This is their jewelry box subscription. So it's $29 a month and you get some jewelry in here that they pick for you. And when you sign up for a subscription, you actually get the first month free, which is really awesome. And I love the box. I just think it's really cute. And I do know they ship to US and Canada. And I'll put all their information below in the description box. Thank you for supporting the small business. And then up here it says, as an added bonus, an extra special gift from us, save 20% of any item online at silverandgold.com with the code MYGIFT. So make sure you check them out and use that promo code. So let's take a look at the jewelry pieces that I got. Super excited. Oh wow, that's pretty. That is one of my, it's actually my daughter's birthstone. That is gorgeous. So it looks vintage to me, and I love vintage stuff, especially jewelry. My mother's ring, which I'm not wearing because I haven't left the house yet, it's actually a vintage setting as well. This is gorgeous. And looks like it's turquoise, which is definitely my daughter's birthstone. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. That's beautiful. Cannot wait to try that and wear it. And next up, oh, some cute little heart earrings. Those are nice. And they wrapped them individually. I appreciate that because sometimes packaging jewelry isn't the easiest. I've definitely received jewelry that has been tangled or squished, so, and that's neat. So half of the heart is like shiny and the other is a matte finish. I don't know if it's showing very well because my nails are pretty shiny and sparkly, but that's really cute. Kind of has a two-tone to it almost. Very nice. And we have one more little bag. Some other earrings. I'll go ahead and take those out. And these are two-toned. Silver and gold. And these are really cool looking. Kind of like a teardrop, and it kind of twists. It's very neat. I like that. So far, pretty impressed. I like all the jewelry. World famous multi-sizer ring sizing gauge. Free. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh. This is actually fun because one of my friends, she wanted a ring for Christmas, and she's like, I don't know what size I wear. And this is actually, you put it around there and it tells you what size you are. Oh, that's amazing. Size and half sizes. That's very cool. That's a good idea to put in a subscription box. That tells you the instructions on there till it's a comfortable fit, and that's how you know what size you are. So I'm pretty sure I'm like a 5 or 6. Let's see here. Let me go size myself real quick. Yep, so this is comfortable to me where I can get it off, but it's not too loose, and it's a 6. So definitely accurate because that's what I always order, and that tends to fit the best. 7s are a little too loose on me, so that's really cool. Such a good idea. I've never seen anything like that. I normally see like the actual like metal rings you put over your finger. Then we also have a little jewelry cloth, I believe. Yeah, cool. And then here's some more information here and the value. So the two-tone heart earrings are $45. And then the twisted earrings, $69.99, and then the turquoise and sterling silver necklace is $75. And then you get the free ring sizer for $350, total retail value of $193.49. And this is only $29.99 a month. That is awesome. I love this, like a lot. This almost made me cry when I saw this necklace. That's how much I love it. Not only, you know, the vintage setting, but my daughter's birthstone, and that's just so cool. Love it, love it, love it. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll put all their information below and the website. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.